First, we need to measure the RJ45 pin to the cable so you can have the right measurement to the wire. Now, place your hand where the right measurement is so we can cut it later. Now, get a crimping tool and cut where you measured the RJ45. Slowly crimp, slowly press so you cannot cut the actual wire, just the skin of the cable.
Since I'm doing first in the end of the cable,
skin
I'll
like
be
this.
starting with arranging the wires to its corresponding colors, which are white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Insert the RJ45 gently to ensure the wires are inserted correctly. Wires are white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Next is the other end of the cable. Now arrange the wires to its corresponding colors, which are white green, green, white orange, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. Insert the RJ45 gently to ensure the wires are inserted correctly. The colors are white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown.
Slowly insert the wire into the crimping tool and make sure it's perfectly fitted so the RJ45 won't crack. Then gently press to lock or crimp the wire. This is what it looked like after crimping.
As you can see, this crossover cable is working perfectly, making it ideal for direct device-to-device connection without a switch.